happy family. You're gonna come out in 1 second. You gonna sit next to Angelina? Okay. Okay. You sit down. You guys fit? Okay. You hold on to your shovel. No throwing anything, okay? Now it's not a long walk. It's a pretty short walk to get over to the beach from parking. This wagon is amazing from Costco. If you guys previously saw, it was like, I don't know, maybe $80. Dean, pick up the shovels, guys. If you break them, we don't have any more. Everything fits. It's a beautiful day. We're the only ones here. You got the whole beach to yourself. Look at that. Oh, there is super low tide. There's not even any water today. Look at that. There is no water today. I guess we'll be on the splash pad, basically. So even though, of course, my luck, there's literally no water today. The water would usually be right up to my footprints right there. But all this is just dried up. I guess it's a low tide. That's what that means. The tide's pulled out. So I don't want her out there hurting herself, stepping on anything. Angelina, you got to come closer, Mama. I don't want you to cut your feet. And I didn't bring water shoes. I just brought sandals. But Dean is having fun. I went out there and got some water for them. I'm happy I brought this little random thing I had at home. And he's making the best of it. And we're just going to make the best of it. Got the umbrella in. And that's it. You got 2 cups of water. And then if all else fails, at least we have the sprinklers over there to run through. Let me see. Splish, splash. Nice. 2 puddles. 2 puddles. Good job. No throwing sand, okay? No throwing sand and no throwing the shovel. That's a big rock. Put it down gently. Let's put it by the lifeguard so that nobody gets hurt.
I want to hold it.
No, that's not for kids to hold, buddy. The sand's gonna go. So old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a...
Come on out.
Dean, stay here. Say hey, friends.
Hey, friends.
Deanie.
I want them to come
ahead.
out. Whatever.
Good finding them. Dean. That's not a duck, it's a bird. It's gonna bite you. Come back, it's gonna bite you. It's chasing you. Come, hurry, 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 hurry.
He's coming out.
It's gonna come bite you. Come, Dean Bean. So we got Angelina's shell collection she's got. Still got a snail.
Where'd the queen? Where'd him go?
I don't know. Where'd Lightning McQueen go?
He's off this way.
Proof of mom.
I'll look for him.
He's here.
He's right there. I want to clean him.
You can't bring all that in the sprinkler, bud.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, life will push you down.
3.5 hours. Things are falling out of the cart. 3.5 hours. Just scooped them out of the splash pad. Did you guys have fun? Yeah? I think it's time to call it a wrap. And by the grace of God Almighty, Angelo was actually not working till 10 o'clock tonight. He's actually coming home at 2 and it's about 1:30. So that's gonna be really nice to have that help. All right, time to walk to the car, which is a short walk. Did you guys have fun? And then we'll be getting home hopefully the same time so he can help with baths and all the chaos. They're gonna be pounding food in the car right now. Ah, it's so beautiful today. And then they have all the boats over here. Love you guys. All right, time to head home. We lasted 4 hours. I did not put any sunblock and I'm a little scared to see my back later. Kids are eating some peanut butter and jelly. They're all changed and I'm just soaked. Time to head home. Hi, it's the next day. I didn't realize I didn't finish out the vlog because basically we got home at like 2:45. We were stuck in all this traffic 2 blocks from our house. And then Dean was having meltdown after meltdown because he didn't nap and being almost 4 hours out in the sun, running around crazy. They were exhausted. And then he was up all last night because he was so overtired. Anyways, I'm exhausted. I just want to end this vlog. Got grandma over today, but I just want to say thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.